Photosensitive compounds या फिर photopigments in human eye is composed of opsin and retinal. Opsin is a protein and retinal is an aldehyde of vitamin A. Light induces dissociation of retinal from opsin, and this results in changes in structure of opsin. This causes membrane permeability changes. So potential difference is generated in photoreceptor cells. This produces signal which generates action potential in ganglion cells through bipolar cells. Action potential या impulses is transmitted by optic nerves to visual cortex of brain. यहाँ पे visual cortex area of brain में neural impulses is analyzed and यहाँ पे image is formed on retina and recognized based on earlier memory या experience. Ears perform two sensory functions, hearing and maintenance of body balance. Ear is divided anatomically into three major sections: outer ear, middle ear और inner ear. Outer ear consists of pinna and external auditory meatus या canal. Pinna collects vibration in air, vibrations that produce sound. External auditory meatus leads inwards and extends up to tympanic membrane या eardrum भी कहते हैं इसको. Hairs which are very fine and glands which are wax secreting, they are present in skin of pinna and meatus. Tympanic membrane is composed of connective tissues that are covered with skin on the outside and mucous membrane from the inside. Middle ear contains three ossicles, malleus, incus and stapes. These are attached to one another in chain-like fashion. Malleus is attached to tympanic membrane and stapes is attached to oval window of cochlea. Ear ossicles increase the efficiency of transmission of sound waves to inner ear. Eustachian tube connects middle ear cavity with pharynx. This helps in equalizing pressures on either sides of eardrum. Inner ear is fluid filled and is called labyrinth. It consists of two parts, bony and membranous labyrinth. The coiled portion of labyrinth is called cochlea. Bony labyrinth is a series of channels inside these channels there is membranous labyrinth which is surrounded by perilymph. It's a fluid, and this is filled with endolymph. It's also a fluid. Membranes constituting cochlea, Reisner's and basilar divide the bony labyrinth which is surrounding and perilymph filled into scala vestibuli and scala tympani. This is upper and this is lower. Space within cochlea is called scala media and it is filled with endolymph. At base of cochlea, scala vestibuli ends at oval window and scala tympani terminates at round window which opens to middle ear. Organ of Cotai is a structure which is located on basilar membrane. It contains hair cells which act as auditory receptors. Hair cells, they are present in rows on internal side of organ of Cotai. Basal end of hair cell is in close contact with afferent nerve fibers. Stereocilia, these are processes present in large number and projected from apical part of each hair cell. Above rows of hair cell, tectorial membrane, which is thin elastic membrane, is present. Inner ear contains vestibular apparatus. It's a complex system and it is located above cochlea. Vestibular apparatus is composed of canals which are 3 and semicircular and otolith. Macula is the sensory part of saccule and utricle. Each semicircular canal lies in different plane at right angles to each other. Membranous canals, they are suspended in perilymph of bony canals. Base of canals is swollen and is called ampulla. This contains crista ampullaris. It's a projecting edge and has hair cells. Saccule and utricle contains macula. This is a projecting ridge. Crista and macula, these are specific receptors of vestibular apparatus. These are responsible for maintenance of balance and posture of body. How ear converts sound waves to neural impulses which are sensed and processed by brain, enabling us to recognize sound. External ear receives sound waves which directs them to eardrum. Eardrum vibrates in response to sound waves. and these vibrations are transmitted through ear ossicles, which are malleus incus to oval window. Vibrations are passed on to fluid of cochlea through the oval window, and these generate waves in limbs. Waves in limbs induces ripple in the basilar membrane. Movements of basilar membrane bend hair cells and pressing the hair cells against tectorial membrane. Nerve impulses are generated in associated afferent neurons, and these impulses are transmitted by afferent fibers via auditory nerves to the auditory cortex of brain, and here impulses are analyzed and sound is recognized.